gonna do a quick little project that I've been putting off for a couple of weeks just because it's so easy that it's easy to do later and focus on something bigger. So I'm gonna get this done. Basically, I'm gonna replace this mirror here with this nice new one. Now, this is a perfectly fine functional mirror, works, whatever, but this one's heated. So my driver's side mirror, I already have a heated one on it, but I went ahead and picked up this brand new aftermarket Dorman mirror, and I'm doing that because this one's heated. You can see this little heated icon, and it's really nice to have for the winter. It's a great upgrade. A lot of newer vehicles come with it, but they were pretty rare when the Cherokees were new. So I've got this part. It's made by Dorman. Looks to be pretty good quality. This is my first time using it, but I'm pretty pleased with a lot of the Dorman products so far. So I'm going to put this on here, and it doesn't take too long. This is a really quick little upgrade. If you can find a set of factory heated mirrors at a junkyard, that'll be your cheapest way to go. Like I said, though, they are pretty hard to find. I'll give you a link to this Dorman mirror down in the description, so you can go buy it yourself off of Amazon or anywhere else. Just Dorman part number. You know, like I said, it's quick, easy to do. All right. So to do this, I'm gonna need my Phillips head screwdriver. Got it on the power bit. I'm gonna need my Torx 30 bit. That's for the actual bolts that hold the mirror on. Plus maybe a panel removal tool for popping off this plastic panel. Flathead screwdriver is always good, but I've already had this panel off, so I know I can do it by hand without having the panel tool or a flathead screwdriver. So I'm going to point out where you need to go in here to undo all of the fasteners, but I'm not going to make you sit through me doing everything here. I'll just do a quick little time lapse for you. So there is a screw up here, holds on the very corner of this door panel. I tend to forget about this one. There is one little screw underneath, just behind the door handle here. It's got a fine thread, and then there's these three big screws down in the armrest here that hold it on. So these are all Phillips heads in here, and this one's a pretty big Phillips head, but for the most part I make I don't know, what is that, a PH2 or something, work out fine, but you can use a bigger one down there. Sometimes these can be really tight, in which case you want to get that bigger one so you get good engagement. And then once I get this panel off, this little panel here will be held in place with a Phillips head as well, so I'll need to get that out. Then there will be one little fir tree clip, Christmas tree plastic clip that holds this down. I'll just pull and pop that off. Then behind this little panel, like I said, you're going to need your Torx 30 for the three bolts that are there. There's one electrical connection down here, a little red connection, pretty easy to pop off. There's a little tab you pull up and it pulls apart. There's a rubber grommet for the wiring that goes through the door here. Again, pretty easy, just kind of pull it out and it should come right out. All right, let's get started. So I finished up, I got my door panel back on. Pretty quick job. I think I spent just about as much time talking about doing it as it did just actually doing it. You know, no big problems or anything came up, so it goes quick. Definitely worth doing since there's such little effort involved, and mostly just the cost of a brand new mirror or the trouble of finding a good one at a junkyard. So I plugged it in, hooked it up before I put on the door panel, tested it, made sure it ran through. It does move in all, both axes. And then I went ahead and turned on my rear defroster switch, because that's how these things work. Because anytime you've got the rear defroster on, it'll be energizing the heater in these. And I can come up here and, whoo, actually, that's pretty warm right now. Wow, I can feel that. So, I'm real happy to have these on here. You know, winter's just around the corner. I mean, geez, we're in October right now. So it's going to be here before I know it. This is a great thing to have for those cold mornings. Really helps out not having to get out and scrape the mirror with your scraper, scratch up the glass or something. Just start up the vehicle, put on your rear defroster, let it warm up for a few minutes, and real quick it'll take care of that ice that's on there. They also just help out when it's raining and your mirrors get wet. Having that heat on there helps clear up the mirrors. So even if you're just driving around in rain, if you turn these on, you know, it'll help you see out your rear view mirrors. So I think it's an absolutely great upgrade. Totally worth doing. It's easy. Go ahead and do it. Like I said, I'll get you the show you that Amazon link down below, so you can go order this one or go find it at Junkyard. You can look online from used, eBay. Lots of mirrors around. It is just kind of hard to find the heated mirror. If you found this useful, if you like that, think that's good, let me know. Give me a like, hit the subscribe button down there. That really helps me out. And I hope you keep watching.